So starting the test drive in this Yukon Denali Ultimate, the 6.2 liter V8 of course is pretty strong, and the 10-speed shifts very seamlessly. It doesn't really do too much, if that makes sense. So even though it's shifting a bit more than a 6-speed or an 8-speed would, it's not necessarily showing it all the time. You're not feeling those shifts very harshly. And I love the exhaust here. You get such a strong sound just from the entire setup. Let's see if I can get over here. And then we're gonna try out the Super Cruise just for a sec. So there's that there. So on certain highways, 4-lane highways and interstates, this will do pretty much everything for you. Use the adaptive cruise control, the lane centering technology, and as long as your eyes are on the road, you won't have any issue there. But the ride quality is pretty phenomenal, I think. Just smooth pickup, smooth brake pedal. Everything is just very nice. What you would expect from a vehicle that stickers for over $100,000. Now, in terms of the price, it is a bit steep. I mean, it's very steep, but you pretty much get what you pay for if you're looking at other vehicles in the same segment as competitors. A Lincoln Navigator is going to run you more than this. Now, similarly equipped Expedition, I don't even know if you can get one like that, but if you could, it'd probably be around the same price here. But this Yukon Denali Ultimate is what I consider to be the epitome of luxury for anything but a fully loaded Escalade. There are some Escalades that don't feel as expensive as this Yukon Denali Ultimate does. Now, even a Sport Platinum, like I said earlier, I like the interior on this better. It doesn't necessarily feel more expensive, but I prefer something like this over the Sport Platinum leather there. And just the overall feel, how this feels luxurious, but not necessarily too futuristic for me to operate. That's another plus here. And I think a lot of people that are looking at maybe getting an Escalade, but they don't want an Escalade, this is going to be the best way to go. I think you get all those luxury amenities for the most part. You're saving 20 grand, and you get something that a lot of people might think looks better than a 6-figure Cadillac Escalade. And this, along with the Escalade, I like how luxurious these things are when it comes to the ride quality, having the magnetic ride control, air suspension, just so many different ways that you can customize your ride to make it feel the way you want it to. Whether you're wanting to drive more sporty, or if you're just wanting to float down the road, you have that capability to choose either or if you want to. But a pretty good SUV in my opinion, all things considered. If you're looking at a top-of-the-line luxury vehicle that's fast, rides well, and has every feature you can imagine. And with that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate.